Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at diligence.com, a site promising affordable kids' clothing that sounds a little too good to be true, mostly because it probably is. They claim to have been around since 2020, but a quick domain check reveals they were actually registered on October 24th, 2025. Apparently, they're time travelers, or they just think we're all incredibly gullible. Shopping from a site with zero history is a lot like buying sushi from a gas station. You're just asking for a bad time. Moving on to the merchandise, those cute photos aren't even theirs. A reverse image search shows they've been borrowed from all over the internet, which is a massive red flag. If a company can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own product, you have to wonder if the product even exists in this dimension. Their customer support is equally inspiring, consisting of a single lonely email address. No phone number and no live chat means if your order goes missing, getting help will likely take until your child is old enough to vote. To top it off, there's absolutely no information on who runs this place. It's a total mystery, and not the fun kind with a detective and a magnifying glass. We checked for reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, and their own site, but found absolutely nothing. It's a digital ghost town, and usually, when no one is talking about a store, it's because there's nothing good to say. Between the fake history, stolen images, and lack of any human contact, diligence.com is about as trustworthy as a screen door on a submarine. Stick to stores with a proven track record instead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to keep your wallet safe. Stay savvy out there.